Why doesn't he care?
He just
He's like, look at his bottom legs. They're completely up and then his head's like down. He's got like an ace on his face. Put one under his paw. Oh, I can't handle it. Oh. Oh, Booney.
No, oh, he clawed at me that time.
Booney, what happened? He's just gonna lay back down. Oh, laziest cat in the world.